An interesting statistic as we recognize Domestic Violence Awareness Month, and that is more protection from abuse orders were petitioned in 2022 compared to any other year in Pennsylvania. So does that mean domestic violence is on the rise?
Fox 43's Robert Stover spoke with experts from the Pennsylvania Coalition Against Domestic Violence to find out why the numbers are going up.
New data released by the Pennsylvania courts reveals more than 40,000 protection from abuse orders were petitioned in 2022, a 5% increase from 2021. Lauren Duff, communications director from the Pennsylvania Coalition Against Domestic Violence, says the increase could be a product of the COVID pandemic.
A lot of survivors either didn't have access to file during that time, or they may have not had the opportunity to do so because they were stuck at home with an abuser, and it's very difficult to start that process.
Duff says it's difficult to determine if the increase of PFAs is the result of a rise in abuse.
Requests for service are increasing, whether that is because instances of abuse are increasing or people are just reaching out for help more. I mean, it's hard to say which is which.
88% of victims who filed received temporary PFAs in 2022. However, only 18% of victims were granted a final PFA.
One of the things that sticks out for us is the percentage of the cases they end with the plaintiff not showing up for the final hearing.
Victims not appearing in court could be a result of the type of abuse they endure.
Abuse often includes financial abuse. Other tactics that abusers can use include emotional abuse, which can be verbal, it can be psychological.
That's why Duff says PFAs are just one layer of protection when leaving an abuser.
PFAs are a really important tool, but that's a tool in a larger plan for survivors to obtain safety and break away from their abusive situation.
If you or someone you know is a victim of abuse, call the National Abuse Hotline at 1-800-799-7233. A link to local abuse programs in PA can be found on fox43.com. Robert Stover, Fox 43 News.